and another input is B. Another input is B. Another one that we want, that is AB bar. Okay. So A means will be required the input A, and B will be taking this input. So this is A and this is B bar. Okay, so what is the output? A bar, B, whole bar, right? A, B bar, and the complement of that. Why? Because this is an AND gate, right? After that, we have to take a ORing, means addition of those two. Again, one more AND gate. One more NAND gate, sorry. Everywhere you have to use the NAND gate, right? Because this is the realization using NAND gate. So what will be the equation that I will get? A bar V dot A B bar, right? The complement of this and the whole complement of this, right? So this is the final equation of sum that I will get it. Okay. This I have shown you the how to prove this with using De Morgan's law. So with this equation, I can prove this equation, right? So this with the help of De Morgan's law, you can prove it, right? Now, how to do it for carry equal to A dot B. Okay, so two inputs will be required, A and another one it is B. What will be the output? AB bar. AB bar, but we want AB. Okay, so the output of this is A, B bar, right? And if I will pass the same to this, so what I will get? A, B, 2 times complement, that is nothing but AB, right? So with using NAND gate, I'm first applying first non-NAND gate, so I'm getting AB bar. Then I'm again applying the NAND gate, so I'm getting AB 2 times bar, 2 times complement, that is nothing but AB, right? So this is the NAND realization of half adder. Right? Half adder using NAND gate. Now you have to implement it. I will show you the demonstration with using DelSim. This part, okay? So you can do it for the next one adder. Okay, which ICs will be required? The NAND gate, right? So how many NAND gates you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But for some, I'll be required how many NAND gates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 NAND gates. Okay, I will just show you now the pin diagram of NAND gate. Which IC is used for NAND gate? 7400. Okay, IC 7400 is used. That is the 2 input NAND gate IC. This is the pin structure, right? So what you can see from this pin structure, 7 is always connected to grounded, 14 is VCC. Now from this, how many NAND gates I can use on from this particular IC? 4 NAND gates, right? In the internal structure, you can see I can use 1, 2 as an input, 3 as output, 4, 5 as input, 6 as output. Means I can use 4 NAND gates, right? So, but in the diagram, you can see how many NAND gates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are required for the sum and 2 more for the carry, right? This is for the carry. So, I'll be required minimum 2 NAND gates, right? So, here I'll be taking 2 NAND gates, add IC. Here also one more. Then after that, the first connect 7 to ground, 14 to VCC. Okay. 7 to ground, 14 to VCC. You know that this is the 14 pin IC, right? These ICs are having 14 pins. So you have to use, you can see that this IC, it is the 14 pin IC. From here, you have to count after 7. From 14, it is nothing but from 8 onwards, you need to count it. Okay, now see here how we can do the connection. See here, the connections for that I'll be placing directly first the numbers. You can see in the internal structure of IC. Just see 1, 2 input, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output. So what I will do, I am going to write this. I am going to provide these numbers based on the input and output. So it will be easy to make a connection. Okay. So here what I will do, as I know that based on this particular, I'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 and 2 input and 3 will be the output, right? So these two are the inputs and 3 will be the output, right? You just mark it like that. So it will be easy to make a connection. 1 and 2 inputs, both the inputs are same. Those are coming from A. 2 input NAND gate. Okay. So A1 is also, A is connected to pin number 1 of this IC, and A is also connected, that input is also connected to pin number 2 of NAND gate, and 3 will be the output, right? After that, I'll be taking 4, 5 as the input and 6 is the output, right? Based on the pin structure, 4, 5 input and 6 is the output, right? After that, you can see 8 output and 9, 10 are the input, right? 8 is the output and 9, 10. So here 8 is the output, 9 and 10 are the inputs, right? Okay. But pin numbers of our IC is different. Why? Because here the structure is given in a different way. Now 8. After that, here you can see 11, 12, 13. 11 is the output, 12 and 13. So 11, 12 and 13. Right? Mark it like this, so it will be easy. Now I will take input A and I will connect to pin number 1 and 2. So first input 0, that I will consider as A, okay, and pin number 1 of NAND gate, okay. Then again the same one, that is pin number 1, pin number 2 is again connected to A, right? Okay, A is connected to pin number 1 and 2, right? Now after that, what you can see, 3 is connected to pin number 9, okay. 3 is connected to pin number 9. Before that, what I will take B input and I will connect to 4 and 5. I will take B, this as a and this as a B, okay. This B as a input and will connect to pin number 4 and pin number 5. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs are connected to A and B, right? What it is expected, A bar and B bar. A bar means pin number 3. It will be this connection that we are passing to another NAND gate input, that is pin number 9. Okay. But in our case, after 7, you have to start counting from 8. That is nothing but actually 14, right? So 8, 9, 10, 11. So which pin number we want? 13, that we are passing to pin number 9, right? 13, that is the output of this, that we are passing to actually pin number 14 or 15 of this, right? Because after 8, 7, 14 is nothing but 8, and then 15 is nothing but 9, right? So this is nothing but, in our case, this is pin number 15, right? Okay. And this is pin number 16. And this is pin number 14. Okay. So this 6 is actually going to pin number 16. 6 is going to pin number 16. Okay. The output of this, I am passing it to input of another NAND gate. Then after that, this pin number 6, that it is 16. After that, the output of this, that is pin number 14, right? Pin number 14 is going to take to another NAND gate. This we'll see later. Now just another NAND gate that I am using pin number 12 and 13, but actually it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So 17, 18, 19. So actually pin number 18 is the input, pin number 19 is the input, and 17 is the output, right? So connect pin number 6 to pin number 18. Pin number 6. Okay, just wait. Here one error. That is what? A bar, that is pin number 3, is to be connected to NAND gate, but here B is to be passed to NAND gate, right? Not B bar, right? Here you can see that. B, not B bar. Okay, here I have made a connection with B bar. Not pin number 6 is going to pin number 16. B is going to pin number 16. So I'll remove connection. So actually pin number 6 is B is connected to 16. So this B is connected to 16, right? Okay, and this 6, after that, okay, we'll see this one, A, that is connected to pin number 18. So this is A, that is connected to pin number 18, right? And then after that, this 19, that is nothing but this B bar, that is nothing but 6, right? So 6 it should be, because this is B bar. So 6 it should be connected to pin number 19. So 6 it should be connected to pin number 19. That is another input. Okay. After that, the output from these two NAND gates, that is nothing but pin number 14 and pin number 17. You can see pin number 14 and 17, that is nothing but input to another NAND gate, right? But I need to use another IC in that case, because here only 4 NAND gates that we have already used. So what we need to do now, we need to use the another input pins from this another IC, right? So in that case, what I will do, I'll be writing over here pin number 1 and 2 of another IC and third of this. Okay. So I'll be connecting pin number 14 to 1. Okay. And pin number 17 to 2. Right. And output, it is nothing but it will be the output selection, right? That is nothing but a sum. Okay, so this is the sum part. These connections are very difficult to understand, because here we cannot note down whether this is C. I am considering this as a A and this is considering this as a B, right? And based on that, I'm taking the connection. So that's what I'm saying. You here, you just write it down the pin number, so it will be easy to understand. Fine. So based on that, if we want to find out about the sum, now we want to calculate for the sum, okay, for half adder. So I will switch on the circuit now, okay, and check for the connection. See, 0, 0, the output is 0. This is the output, right? These two are the input. I'm considering this is A, this is B. 0, 0, the output is 0. 0, 1. Output is getting 1, right? Then 1 and 0. The output is getting 1. And if both are 1, then the output sum I'm getting 0, right? Okay. After that, how to do it for carry? No need to use the another. Now here only I will do it for carry. For carry, two inputs, A and B, right? A and B, two inputs. One more NAND gate I will be required. I can use the another input pins of these NAND gates, right? Pin number 4 and 5 I can use, and 6 will be the output. So A of this pin number 4, then B will be connected to pin number 5, right? After that, what is the output? Output, it is nothing but the output of this. So I have taken, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6, right? After that, this 6 is again going to another pins, another two inputs of NAND gate. Okay, so 6, I can make it, I can connect it to pin number 15, right? And 6, again the same input, I can connect it to pin number 15 and 16 because the same input is going, right? And after that, 14 is the output, 8 is the output, and 9, 10 are the input. So that's what the connections like that you have to use. And pin number 14, it will be nothing but the carry. Okay, so 14, 15, and 16. So this is 14, this is 15 I have used, and this is 16. Okay, you can switch on and see over here. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is for 1, 0. Okay, and if both, so the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Have you understood, students, these connections?
Yes, ma'am.
So likewise, you draw the diagram, okay, and then you write the pin numbers. Accordingly, you write the pin numbers, okay, based on this particular circuit. Here you will make a confusion because here this is the 14 pin IC structure. But in the DELSIM simulator, you can see 20 pin IC structure. So accordingly, you need to change that numbering because this is a 20 pin IC. We have to assume it only 14 pin. Okay. So make a connections properly and do this part. If you are having any doubt in this, you can ask now only. Any doubt? Have you understood? C division? It's difficult to implement with using universal gate, students. Will you try this? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what you do, you just draw this diagram, or else I will also send you, but just for implementation point of view, now you just draw this diagram as you will be required this particular for realization with using NAND gate. Okay, half adder using NAND gate. And that is only nothing but the first assignment. In the first assignment, you have seen you have to implement with using basic gate and universal gate. So with using universal gate, you have to implement this part. Okay, I will share this also with you. Okay, got it, students. So similarly, you have to do the connection for full adder. Okay. So what you do, you first tell me how many of you have done the implementation of half adder using basic gates. B division, all students have done. See what you can do in that case. Instead of doing both the assignments with using universal gate, I will give you one more option. That is, as you have to implement half adder with using basic gate and universal gate, full adder with using basic gate and universal gate. So half adder and full adder with using basic gate, all has to implement. Okay, all student has to implement. Now from B division, 30 students will implement half adder using NAND gate. Okay, and remaining 30 students, not 30, 30 till 35, till roll number 35, you implement half adder using NAND gate, and remaining 35 students will implement full adder using NAND gate. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm saying from roll number 1 to roll number 35. For universal gates, half adder, roll number 1 to 35 will do. Roll number 35 onwards, other roll numbers will implement full adder using NAND gates. Okay, the same I'll be required in terms of write-up also. Whatever that you are going to implement, that only it should be written in the write-up. Okay, how to write it, that I will tell you. Fine, same. C division, one batch will implement half adder using NAND gate. Another batch, C2 batch, will implement full adder using NAND gate. Okay, and same with D division. Like as I said, for B division 1 to 35, same for D division 1 to 35 half adder and 35 onwards full adder. Fine. So
Yes,
based on that, you have to draw the circuit first for full adder with using NAND gates. Half adder I have shown you, it is easy. Okay, first you can try that and then you can go for full adder. Fine. Now another part, another assignment, that is what I think that is half subtractor and full subtractor, right? Okay, so in that particular part, I will show you that this half subtractor and full subtractor. Now half subtract in roll number 1 to roll number 35 will implement half subtractor using NAND gate. No, sorry, not roll number 1 to 35 now. Now roll number 1 to 35 will implement full subtractor using NAND gate. Fine. And remaining roll numbers will implement half subtractor. Okay. You got it, students? You have to just swap for second assignment. जिन लोगों ने हाफ एडर किया है उनको सेकंड असाइनमेंट में फुल सबट्रैक्टर यूनिवर्सल गेट से करना है बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग असाइनमेंट्स दैट इज half adder, full adder using basic gate, half subtractor and full subtractor using basic and universal gate, both. Right? I will send you this manual also to you. I will make one course, Bodhi tree course, okay, where you have to register for that, and there I will. Here also you can see the half adder using NAND and NOR, but this circuit diagram is different. Okay, so you cannot understand now this because for this some another techniques are used, right? So whatever I have shown you, according to that you have to implement that particular circuit. Okay. Yes, students, any doubt? Okay, fine, no problem. See, those who have already done, you can do it now. Full subtractor using NAND gate. You can skip now full adder. Those who have done half adder using NAND gate, I am saying half adder using NAND gate you have done. Okay, then you can do it full subtractor using NAND gate. Either you have to do half adder, full subtractor, and another combination that is full adder and half subtractor. Got it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
The circuit also, if you are having any doubt, as directly you don't implement that, you first send that circuit to me. I will also share the circuit diagram of half adder, full adder, half subtractor, and full subtractor with you. Okay. See, with with half subtractor, it's not a major change. It is there. Only one condition will change. That I will show you. With half subtractor, instead of C equal to AB, what you will get? Can you tell me?
AB complement.
AB complement, no. A bar B. Right?
Yes, ma'am. I just swapped the
Okay.
variables.
So, see, this expression is same with using half subtractor. With using half subtractor, this expression is same, only this will change. So here you will get carry equal to A bar B. Now what you have to change in this circuit? Only instead of this, here we have used directly A and B as input. Here you have to take A bar. So instead of this input, I need to make change over here. That is A bar B. Right? So this is A bar and this is B. Okay? So this much only change you have to do, A bar and B. Okay, rest of the part will be same for carry. Okay, so see over here, if I will change this circuit for half subtractor, instead of this now, I'll be doing for half subtractor. Sum is same. That is nothing but difference for that is same. So just I will write over here. This is difference. Okay, this is difference and this is borrow. Right? Difference is this and borrow is this. So for that, this will be same, but for this, this connection, that is A bar, it is connected to, that we need to pass on to pin number 4. So A bar means which pin number? Pin number 3, right? That we need to pass on to pin number 4. Pin number 4, I have taken it as A. So I will remove this connection. Remove connection, pin number 4, this. Okay. Now, what I will do? I will take pin number 3 of this. Pin number 3 of this, that will be connected to pin number 4 of this. So pin number 3 of this will be connected to pin number 4 of this. Right? Pin number 3, why I have taken? Because this is A bar. Previously we have taken A directly. Now we need to take A bar. A bar means pin number 3. That we need to connect it to pin number 4. right? A bar B. Borrow is A bar B. So 4. Okay. 5 will remain as it is. So I have connected to pin number 4. So pin number 4 is now A bar. We'll check it now. Okay. What we should get now? What we should get now, students, for 0, 0, 0, right? For 0, 1 means if this is 0 and if this is 1. Getting? Difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. Okay? If this is 1, 0. If this is 1 and if this is 0, then the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. Right? And if both are 1, in that case, difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. Right? So you see, you have, whenever while doing the connection, after completion of this, you have to save this circuit. How you can save it? You can just give the name half subtractor using NAND gate. Okay. Save. You can continue with this. Automatically, you will get this on your official mail ID. Okay. Because later you will be required. Okay. This particular part. So you can copy this or you can paste somewhere. Okay. You can make a record of that. Okay, where you have saved this particular file, that URL, so you can save it, or else you will get it automatically on the your mail ID. And so likewise, each and after every making connection for each and every practical, you just save those circuit. Anytime I will call you for that connections. Getting it,
Ma'am,
students?
now, ma'am, currently we have to complete how many circuits, ma'am? Half adders 2.
See, either you can use NAND gate or you can use NOR gate. It is optional. Anyone you can use in the universal gate.
Ma'am, so we have to do one half adder using basic gates, full adder using basic gate.
Then half and full adder with using universal gate. So in the universal gate, either you use NAND gate or NOR gate. It is optional. Okay. It's not compulsory. Now anyone you can use, either NAND or NOR. I have shown you with using NAND gate. So that's what you can also do it with using NOR gate. It is optional, either NAND or NOR. But for NOR gate, now again your equation will change. You have to use the POS form of those equations. You got it, student, what I want to say?
Ma'am, and what about subtractors, ma'am?
Half subtractor and full subtractor with using universal gate, that also you have to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, half adder using NAND NOR gate, full adder, right? Full adder that you have done, basic gate, full adder. Okay, full adder with using NAND gate. That's what I have given you the option. Half adder and full adder, right? With using basic gate, already you have done, right? Now, universal gate part, either you implement half adder or full adder, from that anyone, half subtractor or full subtractor, from that anyone. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone you can implement. Compulsory with using assignment 1 is what? Assignment 1. Let me show you assignment 1. Just wait. To realize full adder and full subtractor, basic gate, universal gate. Actually, here it is required half adder, full adder, half subtractor, and full subtractor. All are required. Okay. This was the based on the previous assignment. Okay. So this also I will send you half adder, full adder. Okay. Half subtractor. Circuit diagram is also given. Full subtractor. Okay. NAND realization is also given. Okay, here you can see that. But see here, NAND and here the NOT gates are used. While implementing the with using NAND and NOT gate is also not required because this is a basic gate, right? This is not a universal gate. So it is expected to use all the NAND gates over here. Okay, so that is just now I have shown you. Fine. This I will change it because this is last time manual. Okay, this I will change it and then I will send you. Fine. Yes, students. Is there any doubt now in the assignment part? It should not happen like I am explaining, but you are not understanding anything. Is it happening for this subject? Yes, C division, D division. Feel free to speak. Unless and until you will not do the basic practical, you will not understand anything. See, with using basic gate also one more point that I wanted to tell you. If you have done it, no problem, you do it. But one more point, as you have done this circuit with using for half adder A bar B plus AB bar, right? And you have used here XOR gate, right? But XOR it is again the derived case. Actually, what it is expected, now you have done it. Okay, forget about that. But what it is expected in this, if I will draw the circuit for this with using basic gate, A bar B, right? So A bar means you have to use the NOT gate. Okay, A bar. Then this will be B. Then here A, and for this is another AND gate. So A bar B, and this is A B bar. Right? So this is sum. Actually, this circuit is required for implementation because half adder using basic gates. So basic gates means compulsory and or and not. Right? This XOR gate, this is the derived gate, right? Okay, but if in the exam, if it will come, now if you have done it, no problem. But if in the exam it will come in the practical exam with using basic gates, so you have to implement this particular circuit. Okay, so you can also try this one. Half adder using basic gate means don't use XOR. If you will use XOR, it will be very much easy. Okay, you just do the practice of this once. Okay, how you can do it with using only simple basic gates. Okay, those have not done, they can do with using this circuit. Okay, those have already done, no problem, you can go for universal gates. Okay, but now I want these two practicals to be completed by next week. Okay, which one I am saying? First and second, that is half adder, full adder, half subtractor and full subtractor with using basic gate and with using universal gate. Okay, this complete part, it should be implemented by the next Friday. Okay, I'm giving you the time of now 8 days. Okay, you just go through all these. I'm going to send all these copies. Okay, and in the next lab, we'll see the next assignment, that is binary to gray. Fine. Okay, so we have a time. Is anyone has implemented this with using NAND gate?
Yes, ma'am. Half adder.
Half subtractor using NAND gate. Okay, how you will draw the circuit diagram for full adder? Shall I show you or will you do it?
Ma'am, can you show the circuit diagram?
Okay. For full adder. Okay, for full adder. Okay, just let me just first write the equation for that. Okay, for full adder, what is the equation? That is okay. S equal to A bar, B bar, C in plus A bar, B, C in bar, okay, plus A, B, C in plus A, B bar, C bar, C in bar. Okay, this is the equation. Based on that, you have done with using XOR gate, right? A XOR B XOR C in, right? Okay. Again, same here. If this with using basic gate, don't use the XOR gate. If it is done, no problem. But try to do it with using basic gates also. Okay. Instead of using XOR gate, you can use AND gate, NOT gate, and OR gate. Okay. Now for this, I'll be required for NAND gate this equation only. Now for this equation, I'll be required 3 inputs, right? 3 inputs are A, B, and C in, right? So I'll be taking A, then B, and then C in. Okay, A, B, and C in. We want A bar as well as B bar as well as C in bar. Okay, so what I will do first, I will be taking with using NAND gate, and so this connection, this in output, I will pass it on for A bar. Okay, A bar will be required, B bar also will be required, and C in bar. Okay, now what is the first one? That is A bar, B bar, C in. So means A bar, B bar, and C in. So this will be required. NAND gate. This is first one, right? A bar, then B bar, and C in. Okay, next one, A bar, B, C in bar. Okay, next one, that is A bar, then B, okay, and C in bar. C in bar means this. Okay, so this is A bar. Okay, this is B and this is C in bar. Okay, this one is done. Now this next A, B, C in. A, B, C in. So A, then B, okay, and then C in. So this is A, this is B, and C in. Okay, so A, B, and C in. And then the final term, that is A, B bar, C in bar. So one more NAND gate. A, B bar, A, this is B bar, okay, and C in bar. So this I will extend. This is C in bar. Okay. So this will be A bar, B bar, C in bar, right? This will be A bar, B, C in bar, and whole bar, A, B, C in bar, complement of this, A, B, complement, C in bar, and whole complement. After that, plus 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 means OR gate, but here only NAND gate. Simply you have to replace with NAND gate, that's it. With using De Morgan's law, you can prove it. You will get the output also for that. Okay. So no need to prove that also. So this will be the sum. So if you will implement this, you will get exact output of full adder. Okay. What I have used, see over here, I have used these NAND gates. I have not used the NOT gates. You can also use the NOT gates if it is not specified. Okay, but if it is specified full adder using NAND gate, then compulsory you instead of NOT gate also have used the NAND gate. What we want with using NOT gate, we get this A. So this is inverting means we get the A bar. The same output I will get with using NAND gate. How? I am passing the same input to both the pins, right? Pin number 1 and 2. So I'll be getting the output will be A bar. A bar means nothing but A bar. So the same symbol here you can use, that is nothing but the same input that we are passing. Okay. So A bar, B bar, C in bar, these 3 NAND gates. After that, for this one term, this NAND gate, this. So 4 NAND gates. And for taking the ORing of all this will be required one more NAND gate. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram with using NAND gate. If you will use this logic, it will be very simple to understand. Don't go for other videos. It will be very much difficult to understand this particular circuit diagram. Okay, if you will just go through this circuit diagram, it will be very difficult. Don't go for it. Okay, this circuit. Okay, it will be very difficult to understand. So use the simple logic only. Just now, whatever if you will implement this, you will get the same output. What we want, our output, it should be getting correct. So you have to use this way. Fine, you got it? Because in the other diagrams, you can see there are very less number of NAND gates are used. Maybe instead of here, we have used 8 NAND gates, there 5 NAND gates are used. But to minimize again that part, it will be very difficult. Okay. So no need of minimization here. Only we want the implementation. Okay, students, you got it. Full adder with using NAND gate now. Yes or no? D division? D division, any doubt? C division? C1, C2 batch? Hardik Patel. Is there any doubt? I result. Okay, you will come to know. Result is actually, it is there, but you will get the official result, okay, on your mail ID. Okay, students, so this is your task now. You have to complete the first two assignment. That is just now those assignments I have explained. Okay, full adder with using basic gate with using NAND gate, full subtractor with using basic gate with using NAND gate. Okay, the option is only given, that is with use for the universal gate. For the universal gate only I have given you the option. Okay. So according to you have to do it. For practice, you can do it both, no problem. Okay. If the circuit is very much complex, so it will be required time. So I will share this circuit also along with you. Okay. Okay, so shall we stop here, students?
Yes, ma'am.
C division, have you understood this C1, C2 batch? You are not responding to queries also. Understood. Okay, today only, by next 2 days only you complete this. If possible, what I will do, as it is expected, 3 assignments till next week. Okay, so you complete it from your side now. Okay, I will make a recording of binary to gray and I will post on the Bodhi or on the Google Classroom. All are using Bodhi now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday's video for B division I have shared on the Bodhi also. I have shared on the Google Classroom also. But now onwards, if Bodhi is working, sometimes there may be a problem with Bodhi in future. So based on that, I am going to send on the Classroom also, on the Bodhi platform also. Okay. So if you are comfortable with Bodhi, I will post on the Bodhi only. If you are comfortable with Classroom, you just tell me. So I will post on Classroom only. Fine? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Which division? D division. You will get the idea from class teacher. Okay. If is there any doubt now for registration, so you can just ask to your class teacher. He will forward that query. Okay. B division, any problem with Bodhi now? In Bodhi there are 2 parts also, in quiz and out quiz. That also you will come to know. I have just floated the video on Bodhi. Okay, quiz is not there, but from the next recording onwards, whenever I will post the next recording, that time I will also add the quiz. That will be a in quiz. Okay. So I will make a recording of binary to gray and that I will post on. Okay, because binary to gray concept is already covered, right? How to do the conversion, that I will tell you in the video lecture. Fine. So parallelly you can do the implementation of that.
Ma'am, can you post previous units videos too on Bodhi?
Which videos?
Previous units, like first unit.
Lecture videos.
Not like lecture, just small revision videos, if you have.
See students, if I am taking the live lecture, no, so I will not record. Okay. But if I am not going to take the live lecture for a particular topic, then I am going to make means the recording of that. Okay, so if already this
Okay,
this
ma'am,
lecture is recorded, in that case I can send you this particular lecture. Okay, so likewise, is this recording is available for a particular topic that I will send you. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
for theory, but for lab, I will provide you the recording. Okay, for all the practicals. For this practical also I will share you, and from next practical for the labs I will provide you the recording on the Bodhi. But for lectures it's not possible because whatever that now yesterday and day before yesterday that you got, that I have recorded, so that I will send you. But for all the live lectures, recorded lectures, I cannot post on the Bodhi.
मैम बोधी ट्री पे DNCO का कोर्स ओपन है मैम
Just a
अभी.
minute, yes, Sanjit.
मैम मैम बोधी ट्री पे DNCO का कोर्स ओपन है मैम अभी.
Yes, it is open.
कि
If you will log in and if you will search for D and CO, you will get digital electronics and computer. But no need to do that particular part. See, for A, B, C, D, all the students, if you have run for A and B, what I have done, I have already approved all the students. No need to register from your side. Okay, I have only approved. But for C and D, maybe your class teacher has not done that task. So what you can do, you have just search for that course. Okay, and just send me the request. I will approve that. Okay, C and D division, just search on the Bodhi tree. Once your account is created, you just search for digital electronics and computer organization. I will send you that image also if you want. The course name is digital electronics, and just you search for that, you will get that course. You just register for that. Okay, I will get a request. Okay, then I will approve that. Directly you cannot enter into that particular course. Fine. But A and B division, already all the students are approved.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I'm facing issue with the
Ah,
registration.
that you
Bodhi
sent
tree.
me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have sent it to the coordinator. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
I will let you know about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Students complete that Vision Missionary form today only and send it. Just upload on the drive. Okay. So thank you. Okay, I will make first. Just wait. I will take the attendance. नाही नाही 1 2 3 roll number 16 absent from B division. Okay, B division done. Attendance. C division. Thirteen absent. C division roll number 13 absent. 14, 15, 16, 17. 34, 35, 37, 39. Okay, other students are also joined from other batches. Okay, fine, no problem. I will mark the attendance till 40 because other with Ketan sir. Okay, he can only mark the attendance.